Welcome back to a new video friends. Today we are going to talk about how to change device name in Redmi 10 phone guys. How can you change your device name in Redmi 10 phone? Today I will tell you how to change in this video guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So it's now time to start video. So first of all, what will you have to do? Open your setting app, click on about phone, device name you can see guys Redmi 10, and guys I want to change. You can also, so you can set yourself like mi10. So guys, example for I am telling you, but guys you can set yourself. So mi10 guys, so I can see, and guys click on this right option. So as you can see, your device name is mi10. So I hope guys you have understood how to change device name in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.